So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We have the old water pump out. We're staging everything for the new water pump to go in, get it taken care of. And I got to get the mating surfaces clean yet because they're dirty. There we go. So we'll get that all scraped clean and taken care of. We're going to run the hose through the block to clean everything out. Make sure that there's no debris, crap, whatever. So yeah, we'll get it all nice and clean and make it look pretty again. I promise I'll make your holes look wonderful. Okay, well, I'm going to get back to work. It's hot, and I'm stuck outside doing this, so I'm going to try and get this done fast. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.
All right. Down here draining the block. It's in a real fun location. Woo! Got a bath! Got a bath! Got a bath! Got a bath! Oh well. Because it's in a shitty location, they give us all over. So, alright, that's like draining. Oh, that was fun. Alright, so I get down here to the passenger side, and there's a petcock that touches the dipstick tube. So I undo it, and nothing comes out. So that's terrifying.
You said cock.
Yes, I did, Scotty. Jesus Christ. Alright, so next step, we're gonna...
Are you jumping on me for saying that you just said the word cock, but yet the words that come out of your mouth are 10 times worse?
Okay, you got me. Alright, so we're gonna run the hose now. And we're gonna put some water in here and push all our scuds out.
But we love you.
Shut up, Scotty.
Well, he pays us,
You guys.
so we kind of have to.
Fine, be that way. Okay, so driver's side's clean. Passenger side's gonna be the fun part because I opened the petcock and nothing came out because it's probably plugged up with shit.
I mean, I let that run for quite a while. It was dirty, but don't get me wrong, it was coming out pretty nasty. So let me get over to the other side.
You like it when things come out nasty.
No.
You're nasty. Honey, you're nasty. There's nothing coming out of the...
Nope.
And the petcock's open. Okay, stop. Stop. I'll go down there and I'll take the whole thing out. That's lovely. Okay, I'll go down there with 9/16 inch and I'll pull the whole thing out.
Okay.
That's plugged up. That's cute. Alright, so I stabbed it to unblock the petcock because it's full of dirt and shit from outside. And that, it's got some funky plastic to it.
Yeah.
Like it smells nasty. That smells really bad. Scotty, do you... Alright, Scotty's putting water in it now. Ooh. Is it back flowing?
Yep.
Alright, turn that off. I'll pull that whole petcock out. That's the only way we're gonna get away. Okay, I got the crusty ass petcock out of there. And it was crusty. And it looked like ass. Okay. Scotty, fire away. Fire at will. Which one's Will? What movie's that from?
I don't remember right now.
Okay, fine. Don't be funny, you asshole. Oh, there comes Schmutz. There you go. Schmutz.
It's getting all over me.
It's getting all
That's hot.
Scotty, you're getting hot liquid all over my face.
You're the one that's sitting there.
I know, because I'm
And
trying
that's
to
still
video it
coming out
out.
pretty nasty.
Yeah. Alright, well, see? Flush. Gotta keep flushing. It's cleaner, though.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, all the petcocks are open down below in the tubes. Let's see it coming out down there. We're just flushing that out too, making sure there's nothing in those lines either. You want this thing to be perfect.
Fun.
Fun. All right, cool.